Hey y'all, just let you know I'm not in my regular spot, and I'm gonna review. His name is very weird in my position. Hey y'all, did y'all remember Monster Truck Man and um the Samurai Dude? Well, I don't have the Monster Truck Man, but I do have the Samurai Dude, and I do have his sword. Sword, and it can bend. You know how they do, like, they put their Super Samurai mode, and they fold it down and click it in, and they control the robot. So that's how it is. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting the Red Ranger into the Grave Digger. So, first, let me take this guy apart. It's not that long, like Optimus. Oh yeah, the next review, I'm gonna do it next week because I'm busy this week. This is my last review. Sorry. There. Got him. Okay, then. This might be a little bit messy. Taking that. Got one down. Then take this off. Click that. Sorry, y'all, but so now you're left with all of that. But first, you grab this. Then you grab one of these. Grab one of these. Click it together. Then you grab one of these. Oh yeah, and in the beginning I forgot to mention that the wheels are rubber. I love rubber. So cool how you say rubber. Then you connect it, and there's a wheel. Do the same with the other side. Put that in. Take this. Then you click it. There's your second wheel. 2 wheels. Then you grab. Oh, freak. I think I must have forgot. This. Connect it so like that. Then you grab. And then you make another wheel. See? Put that on. That on. That on. And then one, two. So it looks like that. Plus some of it over. And then you grab, you make another wheel. Pull that. This one's different. And then you push that in. There you go. Then you see this hole. It's gonna tab into that. And see? Take off. Then you wait. I think I forgotten a step or something. You go like this. Bring it. Oh, dang it. Oh, I think we take these, put them together, then we'll see something. That's how you do it. Nope. Technical difficulties. Well, I don't care. So, this. I got this wrong. I totally got it wrong. Oh my god. Sorry, y'all, but that's all it for me. The next one. And please, people, please favorite this one. It's called the Super Samurai. Wait, it's called Super Samurai Megazord. And they're all caps lock. And yeah, maybe. Do you think I should review this again? Because, nah. How about I just do this? How about I just do the Samurai Megazord again? Yeah. Next I'll do Clover. Okay. Dragon. Same as always. There. And the American style, the bear in American style, the bear sucks. It has no abilities. All it can do is open its mouth and close it. Turtle, same as always. Pull out turtle head. Spin hand around. Oh yeah, I think I forgot to mention this. Same turtle sword. Woohoo! Turns into this. What's that? There you go. We better do this fast. Oh nah. I still got 2 more minutes. Ape, same as always. Tiger. Now, in the American version, the tiger's legs can't go up, so it's mostly useless. Same as always. Mouth can open, mouth can open and close. Almost on everyone that needs to open mouth can open and close. The turtle and the ape don't. Transformation time! Better hurry up! Ape, same as always. Hands up. Turtle, flipping these, turn that, turn that around. This one, sorry y'all. Come on, I only got 30 minutes. Take that out. That, there, that. line those two, that, head out, and this.